Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sinead Crowe, if you haven't been here today, and this is not my styling series. I was about to say my styling series. This is an additional video, or it might be part of my styling series. I haven't quite decided yet, but every week I do 5 different ways to wear a certain item, and today I thought I'd do festival style. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, if you like lots of outfit ideas. I do them weekly, and if there's anything you want to see me style, then make sure you leave me a comment in the description below, whether it's something in this outfit, there's a certain item like the denim shorts, straw bag, or whether it's something that you've just bought, or something that you're thinking of buying and it's a designer item that you know that I own, or maybe you want me to buy it and style it, because if I'm gonna have to buy something, guys, I'll do it for you. So I'm not a massive festival goer, so you'll have to forgive me if you think any of these outfits are absolutely ridiculous. I've only been to one like camping weekend festival, and I've been to a couple festivals that are like daytime things, but let's just put it out there, I freaking hate camping. Definitely would love to go to Coachella, but yeah, what am I talking about? Festivals abroad in the sunshine with hotels are my kind of festivals. But I have thought about UK festivals when I've done these, so I haven't picked like super expensive things, because obviously if you're camping in a tent you don't want anyone to steal them, and also that I kept in mind the fact that it might be muddy and rainy, so you wouldn't want nice shoes in the rain. So I have tried to think about things like that. One of the biggest trends at the moment is cycling shorts, and they're so darn comfy and easy to wear. So I definitely wanted to do those as one of my outfits. I love this pair, and they're so cheap as well, and like, so if you do ruin them at a festival, it's like perfect. And I think they'd look really cool with just like a t-shirt, loose, oversized. You could knot it, you could just tuck it, you could leave it out. If you want to see all the different ways to wear 5 t-shirts, make sure you look at my 5 ways to wear t-shirts. But seriously, there's so many ways to wear it. I think this would look cool just loose, to be honest. And then a little backpack. This is the only backpack I have. I probably wouldn't take this to a festival unless I was literally going to have it on my being the entire time. Let's face it, you're probably only going to take one bag and one pair of shoes for a festival. You're going to want things that mix and match. Don't want loads of luggage. This is why things like cycling shorts are good, because they don't take up much room. Just remember, whatever you take, you've got to carry it to your campsite, and I did not think about that when I went, and it was a nightmare. The trek to your campsite was literally the worst part of the entire weekend, and as a result we left most of our stuff there because we were like, I can't carry the stuff back to the car. But don't judge me, guys, this was like 10 years ago. So next, obviously you can't have a festival outfit, guys, without denim shorts. So I've got my favourite denim shorts. These are super comfy and loose for lots of eating and drinking. You don't want anything tight. Also, they're high-waisted, so they look really cool with a white t-shirt. I just go for white t-shirt. You can knot it, you can loosen it up. You could do the same t-shirt from day one, but I would recommend having at least 1 t-shirt per day, because you probably will spill it and get it muddy, or God knows what. But maybe you don't care about that. You probably won't if you've been drinking for 2 days. And I'd do that look with the trainers as well. Comfy, got a bit of a platform for sinking into mud, wash dry, we've had it all already. And then this straw bag is actually really good. It's like a crossbody bag, so easy to wear, soft, not heavy, not expensive. You can fit loads of stuff in, ties at the top, no one can pickpocket you. I feel like I'm getting really in depth in like festival tips here. Okay, so another good thing to wear at festivals is dresses, because it's only one piece of item. Also, when you go to your toilet, lift it up. You don't have to worry about like crouching with things around your ankles and stuff. So dresses are actually a really good one. Do not wear jumpsuits, do not wear play suits, wear them at your own risk. You have been warned, because the toilet situations at festivals are dire, to say the least. Honestly, I was expecting a lot worse when I went, purely from the fact that I'd heard so many horror stories that I was literally expecting like the pits of doom, and it was only slightly the pits of doom, so not quite as bad. So this dress I absolutely love. I got it towards the end of last summer actually, and it's so cute. It's the cutest little polka dot dress and very nice, and I'd wear it with like an oversized denim jacket. This denim jacket I would probably take and use every single day. You're probably going to need a jacket or like a hoodie or something, lots of warm layers. And then I'd probably just add my little backpack on again, or use a straw bag to look cute too, but personally I think the backpack would look really cute with that outfit. And then introducing a new shoe to the into the mix. These ones from Stradivarius, they're like £40. They look like Doc Martens, but they were instantly comfy. They did not remind me once to have heard Doc Martens can be really uncomfortable. They are high, they are good for walking in, they've got a good tread. They do not have to lace them out, they've got a zip on the side. They are wipe clean, and they were under £40. So these are like amazing, very good option for a festival. They're kind of like a cool welly, if you know what I mean. Then we've got the good old cute little mini dress. Gets cold in the evening, shove a little sweatshirt on or tie it around your waist. So I've chosen this wrap dress which has no hanger appeal whatsoever, but hopefully while I'm saying this there'll be a beautiful image of me wearing it laid over the top. Not me laid down, just this on top of this video. But this is really cute little checked one. It's very short, but I mean, if you can't wear a mini dress that's bum skimming at a festival, when can you? And then I would add this white sweatshirt. Will look really cute with the little, with this like just hanging out the bottom. I can imagine it. Very cute. Look at that, it looks like a little dress. You can probably see it and not me showing you that. And then I would add with that, I would probably go for the trainers again. So you got them, I'm not going to keep going on about how they're wash dry, platform, good tread, but they would look really cute with that. And then go and add your little backpack again, or whatever bag you're taking, because let's face it, you're only going to take one. Then I saved my fave till last, and this is kind of Coachella vibes, but you could totally wear this wherever. We've got this little denim skirt. This is my fave denim skirt. I got it towards the end of last summer again, but I wore it so much because it actually looks really good with tights too. Like obviously you're not going to wear tights at a festival. You might do if you want to, I'm not judging. But yeah, it's really good because it's dark denim. It looks really good with tights, but it also looks good with bare legs. It's really cute. Just wear it with a really simple crop top, like just a simple white top crop top, or you could wear a white t-shirt when you've got from your other outfits. Got your little straw bag to go with it. Very, very, very cute. This is definitely my favourite. And then a new shoe to add to the mix. We've got the good old cowboy boots, and I feel like cowboy boots are so on trend at the moment, and such a fun, I feel like festivals you like always dress a bit fun, and a cowboy boot is a really fun thing to add into your festival wardrobe. And I think a festival, am I saying festival boot? Not western boot, cowboy boot. Cowboy boots would look cool with all of these outfits too, let's be honest. These ones are really cool and also sold out, so apologies for that, but I will link some alternatives below that probably won't be as cool as this. I'll link these below too in case they come back in stock, but I very, 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 very much doubt it, to the point that the brand's actually told me they're not really. But someone might bring them back, so worth looking. And I'll link them on eBay if I find them. But yeah, I thought they'd be really cool as like a little add-on to the outfit. So I hope that I've given you guys some inspo if you're heading off to a festival and don't know what to wear or don't know what to pack. Hopefully I've imparted some of my wisdom on you for like little tips too, like don't take heavy alcohol, take goon. Is it called goon? Wine in a bag. I'm so classy. But yeah, honestly, and don't, oh, I took so much dry food too and like just ended up not eating any of it. Like just take breakfast bars and take enough money to buy food that's hot because you'll want it. Like I took so many bread rolls and cheese slices to make cheese sandwiches. You know those disgusting cheese slices that you get for hamburgers that are nice on hamburgers but not as a cheese roll? It was, I don't know what I was thinking with that kind of diet, but it didn't work out, let's just say that. The only thing I really ate was popcorn, cereal bars and biscuits. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope it gave you some inspo. Make sure you check out my 5 ways to wear for like all my other things. I've done jeans and I've mum jeans, and I've done the good old white t-shirt so far. And I'll link them below, and make sure you check me out on Instagram if you want to see more from me. I do daily outfits and lots of stories and stuff, so if you want to see me every day, check me out over there. I'll put my little thing up there so you can see what it is. And yes, I'd love you to subscribe and join me on my channel, and don't forget to leave me a comment with your favourite look, and I'll see you next time.